Hey everybody, this is Rich Noto, Florida License Realtor, Florida License Home Inspector in Notary Public. So I'm over at Cypress Hammock over in Kissimmee. I'm at Landsea Homes. Got a nice looking two-story to show you. Now this sign in front is not correct. They put the wrong sign in front of the wrong house. Just keep that in mind. When you first walk in, it has a real spacious feel to it. There's plenty of floor space. I kind of stuck myself in the corner. Now to the left we have the stairs to go up to the second floor, but then there's also the kitchen, the living room, and the dining room. Now there's a room over there which has somebody sitting in, so I'm not going to be showing you that room, but just keep that in mind. Now here's your covered patio, and a large one at that. But this is the model, so just keep that in mind. Let's check out your living room, kitchen, and dining room. Here's a half bathroom. And the pantry. Okay, so I'm at the top of the stairs, and over to the left we have the master bedroom and the laundry room and the loft. And a nice sized loft. Definitely a nice looking room too, the way it's set up. And here we have a full bathroom, and we have the toilet and the tub divided off. And here's another bedroom. And this bedroom is very large. In some homes, this might be considered a master bedroom just based on its size. I know the camera's not going to really give you the feel of how big it is, but it's a big room. Another shot of your loft. Master bedroom. And there's your toilet. So you have your two sinks on the left and your showers on the right. Let's go take a look at the walk-in closet. See all that floor space. That's a nice little square. Now, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. I'm No Pressure Sales, and I do work for you and represent you as a home buyer. I do not work for any home builders or represent them. They always work for the builder. And what I mean by they is the salespeople, the sales teams that work at the builders. Now, when you contact me first before heading over to the builder, you won't void your free representation, okay? Now, the home builders everywhere do pay for it, but many of them have certain rules and regulations where your realtor needs to be the one to enter the office with you, or even sometimes if you email or call builders, that can void your free realtor representation. Now, one of the great things about calling me first as well is that I like to work with the sales associates that are the best at the builders, the ones that have really good knowledge of the place and also are very low pressure, nice to work with. That's super important. The other thing in the process is, your money. You always want to keep your money safe. Many times home buyers call me after the fact. They contact me when it's too late. They're in a contract and they have problems, and now they're trying to get help from me. And many times they've seen my videos, which they openly tell me. They've seen my videos and then they end up telling me, you know what, you were 100% correct. I wish I contacted you. Now I'm in this situation. So contact me first. Let's have a nice process of finding you a home, a safe process where your money, everything that you do with your money, when you put it down, everything's done correctly. And then after you're in contract, let's make sure that your home is also assembled correctly. A home that isn't assembled correctly and is built poorly, that's not something that you want. So for me, for my home buyers, those are my concerns. I want you to have a nice experience in the beginning. I want you to have the best sales associates where possible. I want you to have a nice process going into the contract. Everything is done safe. And then after that is the home building process. So there's going to be several things along the way that I'm going to do to help you in that. So, don't miss out on it. For you don't pay for the service. You're not going to miss out on any incentives or lose them because you use my service at a builder. The only thing that you will do is you'll miss out on everything that I offer you in the process, because home builders do not reduce the price of a home because you pass on using a realtor. It just doesn't work that way. And many times you end up with the best deals because I'm there with you and I'm able to ask the right questions, okay? Asking the right questions and knowing what to say and how the deals work is super important. So don't be shy. Give me a call, email, or text. Thank you.